Hey, project leaders, program managers, Scrum Masters. I am Divya Sriram, and I'm an executive coach and a visual strategy facilitator. In the last few months, I've been having this conversation with different leaders across coaching conversations on how they're struggling to engage their teams as they jump meeting to meeting. And now that in a virtual environment, you're jumping virtually from one meeting to another. How do you stay productive? How do you stay sane, still engaged, and refreshed? So, my co facilitator, Meenakshi Iyer, who you see on the screen, together we are here to help you design your meetings better. And what you also see in front of you in the banner is a visual template where we are looking to design your meeting canvas storyboard from for especially for three top meetings that perhaps take a lot of space on your calendar. Number one being new team meetings where you're kicking off a project. Number two being internal project status meetings, which you usually do with your meetings to see where things stand with your projects. And number three being the external stakeholder meetings. So, how do you stay productive in those meetings? And what we do want to bring in front of you is not just set of tools, but to help you match tools with each of these three meetings, which occupy your calendar. So we don't want to just present tools to you, but we want to take you through visual templates, powerful question banks, also looking at different technology tools as well as kinesthetic tools, which could help you design and re-energize these three meetings in ways that you have never done before. So we would like you to present this opportunity next weekend as we come together in a hands-on workshop. And Meenakshi and I have had tremendous time and fun designing this workshop for you. Meenakshi?
Absolutely, Divya. Thank you very much. And hello, everyone. My name is Meenakshi Iyer, and I'm a business and digital transformation consultant and also a lean, agile, and human-centered design practitioner. And in my past life, I've had many a manic meeting Mondays myself. So I'm really excited to partner with Divya in this for this workshop. And as Divya said, it's a 3-hour live workshop next Saturday, June 20th. Um, and I come from the technology and software development space, and I've been in several client-facing roles. And so I've been one of those people that have run from meeting to meeting, and each meeting is different from the previous one. And with that experience, and also with the with my lean, agile, and human-centered design experience, what I'd like to bring to the table for this workshop are three main things. Number one, how can you apply these principles, lean, agile, and human-centered design principles, to design meetings that really matter? So no more death by meeting. So that's one takeaway that I would like to share along with Divya in this workshop. The second thing that I'd like to focus on is how how can you manage your attention as you jump from meeting to meeting. And the third thing is, how do you remain productive throughout your work day and your work week, despite or the load from just the meetings. We tend to spend 70 to 80% of our work time in meetings. So how do you make meetings really matter? And how do you manage your attention? And how do you remain productive in spite of manic meeting Mondays? So that's the workshop. Like Divya said, next Saturday, 3 hours. It's a live workshop, 5 p.m. India time and 7:30 a.m. Eastern time in the US. Productivity hacks for navigating manic meeting Mondays. We really hope that after this weekend, you do not have any more manic meeting Mondays. So look forward to meeting all of you. See you then.